Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In today's video, let's do Tai Chi in a chair. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch all the latest Tai Chi videos. I've been getting a lot of requests to do Tai Chi in a chair, so let's do some. First, let's have good Tai Chi posture. In a chair, that means sitting up straight, with your feet flat on the ground, and your shoulders relaxed. Let's take a nice deep breath to relax our shoulders. Now let's do a few moves. First, let's do an opening posture. Bring both hands up in front of you. And now bring your hands back down to your legs. And again, hands come up. Extend your fingers out and bring your hands back down. And one more, hands come up. Extend your fingers out and bring your hands down. Very good. Now let's do wave hands like clouds. We bring one hand up in front of us and one hand down. So your upper hand, your palm is facing in, and your lower hand, your palm is facing down. Now, bring your upper hand across your body, and as it comes across your body, rotate your wrist out. Then switch your hands. Upper hand, palm facing in, lower hand, palm facing down. Bring your upper hand across your body and rotate your wrist out. Switch your hands. Upper hand comes across your body, rotate your wrist out, and switch your hands. Now as we do this move, try to engage your center just a bit. So use the center of your body and use your body, if you can, to execute the move. Hand comes across the body, rotate your wrist out, change your hands. Use your center. Hand comes across the body, rotate your wrist out, and switch your hands. Wave hands like clouds. And let's continue. Breathe slow and even. Good. Now let's do one more move. It's called brush and press. We're going to bring one hand to the side with our palm facing up and the other hand with our palm facing down. Slowly bring your outside hand to your ear as you then brush with your front hand and press with your back hand. Now on the other side, one hand palm facing up, the other hand palm facing down. Bring your hand slowly first towards your ear, brush with your lower hand, and press with your other hand. And continue, one palm up, one palm down. Again, use your center. Use my body to brush and press. Good. One palm up, one palm down. Hand to ear, brush, and press. Continue. Breathe slow and even. And one more. Brush and press. Good. Now let's do a closing posture. Breathe in as your hands come to your side. And breathe out. Both hands come down in front of you. Very good. That was Tai Chi in a chair. Subscribe to my channel for more Tai Chi videos. Keep practicing. Stay healthy. Stay strong.